Welcome, spice lovers. Today we're making homemade sriracha sauce, the perfect blend of heat, garlic, and tangy sweetness. Whether you love drizzling it over eggs, tacos, or noodles, this recipe will take your dishes to the next level. We'll go step by step, from prepping fresh chilies to bottling up your very own spicy masterpiece. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and I'll share plenty of tips to help you nail it on your first try. So grab your ingredients, fire up your blender, and let's dive into this recipe. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need. Grab 1 pound of red chili peppers. I'm using red jalapenos, but you can go spicier with Thai chilies if you're feeling bold. Next, 4 to 5 fresh garlic cloves, peeled and ready to pack in some flavor. You'll also need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to add sweetness and balance the heat. For seasoning, we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt. This brings out all the flavors. And don't forget half a cup of white vinegar for that signature tangy kick. Finally, just a 1/4 cup of water to help blend everything together smoothly. That's it. Let's jump right into making this spicy, garlicky magic happen. Alright, let's kick things off by prepping the chilies. Start by washing 1 pound of red chilies. I'm using red jalapenos for a medium heat. Remove the stems and slice them into smaller pieces. If you want a milder sauce, go ahead and scoop out some of the seeds. Pro tip: wear gloves to avoid any chili burns, and definitely don't touch your eyes right now. Once the chilies are chopped, set them aside, and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to blend everything together. Add the chopped chilies into your blender, along with 4 to 5 peeled garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a 1/4 cup of water. Blend until you get a nice smooth texture. Don't worry if it's still a little chunky. If your blender struggles, just add a splash more water to loosen things up. Scrape down the sides if needed, and blend again until it's all mixed. And there you have it. Our spicy base is ready for the next step. This step is optional, but trust me, it adds incredible flavor. Pour the blended mixture into a clean glass jar, leaving some space at the top for air. Cover it loosely with a lid or a cloth secured with a rubber band. Now, let it sit at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. Stir it once a day to keep things moving and prevent mold. Pro tip: if you notice small bubbles forming, that's fermentation magic happening. If you're short on time, feel free to skip this step and head straight to cooking, but if you can wait, the flavor payoff is worth it. Let's heat things up now, literally. Pour your mixture into a saucepan and add half a cup of white vinegar. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the color deepening and the smell? Absolutely mouth-watering. Simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until it starts to thicken slightly. Taste as you go. This is the perfect time to adjust the salt or sweetness if needed. Once it's cooked, we're ready to smooth it out in the next step. Now, let's strain this beauty for a silky smooth texture. Grab a fine mesh sieve and place it over a bowl or jar. Pour the cooked mixture through, using a spoon to press out all that spicy, garlicky goodness. If you like your sauce thicker, you can skip straining or strain only part of it. But for that classic sriracha feel, a smooth finish is key. Take your time here to get every last drop. It's worth it. Time to bottle up your homemade masterpiece. Let the sauce cool completely before transferring it into a sterilized jar or bottle. Store it in the fridge, where it'll stay fresh for up to a month, or even longer if you fermented it earlier. Shake it well before each use, and drizzle it over eggs, noodles, or tacos, whatever you like. And there you have it, your very own homemade sriracha sauce, ready to spice up any dish. Before we wrap up, let's talk tips to make your sriracha sauce absolutely perfect. First, choose your chilies wisely. Red jalapenos are great for mild heat, but if you want more fire, go for Thai chilies. Next, adjust the sweetness. Add more brown sugar if you like it sweeter, or even try honey for a twist. For thicker sauce, simmer it a bit longer or skip straining altogether. And don't forget, you can boost flavor with a teaspoon of fish sauce for umami or a dash of smoked paprika for a smoky edge. Finally, store it right. Use a sterilized glass jar to lock in freshness, and always keep it refrigerated. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy your homemade sriracha sauce anytime.